Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add money to your PayPal from debit card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to add money to your PayPal from your debit card, all you gotta do is simply tap open your PayPal. After doing this, you can simply tap on your finances section, and once you tap on your finances, you can simply tap on add from your bank. So once you have typed in the account or like amount, you can simply tap on confirm, and after doing this, you can simply find an option called link an eligible debit card to add funds in seconds. So simply tap on that particular option, and then you can simply either type in your card number manually, or you can simply scan your card. So if you are typing in your card number manually, then you can simply type in the number, CVV, and your expiration date and link card. Or if you are scanning the card, then simply use your phone scanner and scan your card. So this way you can add money to PayPal from that card. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.